You a happy big boy? Yeah, morning. Hello. Hello. You alright, mate? What are you going to eat? Hey boys. You want to fuss? Do you want to fuss, do you? You want to fuss? Alright, okay. Where are all the others? Come on, where are they all? Hey boys. Hello. What are you two up to? Hey? Yeah, they're sleeping. Hello. Just checking we're in the pens, aren't we? Hey boys. Hey Jock. Jock's on with a stripe, he's like a saddle. Hey Jock. Hello. Alright. Go and see how the lovers are doing? Yeah? Where are they? Trev, Natalia. Oh, in here I've got a boar, a couple of pedigrees in here. He's decided to have the troughs over it. Don't want to disturb you two. You two alright? Hey Natalia. Good girl. Trev. Trev. Morning, Trev. Trev is a big lad. Anyway, hello mate, you alright? You want to fuss as well? Hello. Alright, enjoy the sun. Clearing out all my errors for me. Worked the way through that bramble nicely. This whole area was brambled. And then across here we've got the two little ones. Again, two pedigrees. Who we've named Cookies and Cream. Where's Cookies and Cream? Fence jumping. Here, Cookies and Cream. Hey Cookie. Hey Cream. Hello. Cookie is the pedigree, one on the right. And Cream is a little friend which she'll grow up with. She's got a lot of white in her colours, isn't she? She's not a lot good for lots, but Hey, gorgeous little girl. Hello. No biting my fingers. Hello. Alright. And again, they've cleared out all that area. I'm going to move some more pigs back across that way. Right. That is it from me. Give a final little view of Big Boy. Say goodbye, Big Boy. Say bye-bye. Yeah.